Hey guys, welcome to Quick Pro Designs. Happy New Year, and I want to wish everybody good health. So today I just want to quickly show you how to create a new Corel file. So there are three ways to create a new Corel file. Let's get into it. So first, what you want to do is go to the file, click on new, and then you just type in the name of the document. So let's say I want to create a Nike logo. I type in Nike logo, and then I choose the color primary that I want to use. Go to dimensions. I like to use a square, so normally I use 1080 by 1080, and I like to use millimeters as well. And then right after that, you want to set your resolution. Normally I just like to stick with 300. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to click OK. So second step, what you want to do is you want to go back to the welcome screen, click new document, and then you follow the same procedure that we did in the first process. And then you choose all the dimensions and all the information that you want to add on, and then you just click OK. Let's head into the third option. Go back to your welcome screen, see that plus sign, you click on the plus sign, and then you follow the same procedure we did for the first and the second. Fill in the dimensions and anything else you want to add in. I'm not going to go into bleed. Bleed is going to be for another video, and also the primary color mode. So once you're done with all the information you want to insert, you just click OK or enter. So yes, those are the three options for starting a new Corel file. And please take time to hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Enjoy your day. Cheers.